pull out, supersize, and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is to pull out all the stops. This idiom's been around since the 1860s. A gentleman by the name of Matthew Arnold used it in an essay, and it's been used figuratively since the 1860s. I'm sure pull out all the stops has been used in other ways prior to this, but it comes from, they believe that it originated from organ playing, and that in order to get all of the pipes to play simultaneously, you would pull out all the stops. Otherwise, you could stop some of the pipes from playing and impact the sound that resonated and came from that organ. I'm not an organ player, but I think it's an interesting origin to an idiom that now means that you will use all of your resources, everything that you can get your hands on or get control over to create something or do something that you want. In this case, building and growing and supersizing our businesses. How do you, I know how I share every day on these, how I use these idioms or how I might use these idioms, what they mean to me, but I'm curious, what does pulling out all the stops look like and mean to you? For me, it's when I decide I'm going to do something and I'm going to figure it out, I go all in, and no matter what happens, and I know a lot of stuff's going to happen, I'm going to find a way to figure out how to get the outcome that I want. And it can be for little things as well as big things. Supersizing and growing my business is one of those things. I know that no matter what happens in the world around us, pandemics, natural disasters and things, I'm going to figure it out. The only way I'm not going to figure it out is if I die and I'm not here anymore. And then hopefully I've set enough things in play that it'll still move forward without me, and I will have figured it out before I take a little diversion from planet Earth. So what are some ways that I do that? I believe in lifelong learning. I believe in being curious and asking questions and reading and learning and growing and finding different sources of information. Looking at, with curiosity, different industries, different businesses, different ways of doing things that I could then say, well, how might that work for my business? Would that be something that would benefit us? Maybe we should try that out and see if it works in our industry and in my particular business. If it does, great. If it doesn't, next. What's next? What are we going to do next? Because we're going to keep on going and keep on growing. So share in the comments below today what pulling out all the stops looks like for you and your business, or what does it mean to you? To me, it's going all in and doing what I say I'm going to do and setting an example of that for my kids, people I love and care about, and for other people in the world, because the best thing we can do is be a good example of what we want to see in the world. People will criticize you for that, guarantee it. If you're making enough noise, you're going to get people that criticize you. Sometimes even when you're being quiet and not making any noise, people will criticize and pick on you. So what? Do what's right for you anyway. All right, I love this idiom. I hope you do too. Have an amazing day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean, to me at least? Where did it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business today? Have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.